Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. We have started with our trip today and we are at the Ladies View. Along with that, we are going to drive at the National Kinarni Park and go and watch the Top Waterfall and the Macro's House and Garden. Now, talking about the point which I'm right now, as you can see in the background, it's the Ladies View. The name is because when Queen Victoria in 1861, when she visited the Kenmare, she was along with her ladies, she was very pleased with the stunning scenery over here. And just in their honor, this spot has been named as the Ladies View. This is a short map. Now you can see that we are here on the Ladies View. Yesterday in the vlog we had gone to the Mole's Gap and we continued our journey to the Kenmare. Today we are planning for the Ladies View and then Top Waterfall, the Macro's House and the garden which is there, and we'll head down to Castle Gregory. So nice. And we have even now, as I said you before, like the Wild Atlantic Way, the Ring of Kerry is the part of the Wild Atlantic Way. So our second stop for today is the Top Waterfall. As you can see, there is a good amount of a parking space available, and from this spot you have to only walk for 200 meters. It is very peaceful to walk over here, and just at the entrance of the car park area there are the restrooms in case if anyone wants to use that. The Top Waterfall is just behind this. From the car park area it's only 5 minutes of walking and it's not even the hardest walk. Now in case if you want to go for a hike, you can opt for taking those stairs and go up on the moderate hike for the same purpose. The house which you're seeing behind is the Macro's house. Now currently it's been closed since it's the Christmas time and it will be open in month of January. Macro's house is a mansion from the 19th century, and now we are just going to stroll in the garden area, and this house is in the national park itself. It's very peaceful to just stand over here and look at the mountains there. We are currently at the Inch Beach, which comes under the Dingle Peninsula. It is 4 o'clock in the evening and this is the last spot for today, which is the Inch Beach. It's very beautiful. The mountains have been surrounded with the clouds and even the sea. It's so peaceful and calming to be here. We were planning our itinerary and during that time I had been on the Macro's website, but their website didn't mention anything as such like they are going to be closed for the Christmas days, and so we thought of like going over there and getting our tickets for the house and the garden. But if you're visiting it, just give them a call before that. If you love watching our videos, so please hit the like and the subscribe button to our channel.